Hey y'all, this is Red with Red's Power Maintenance. Hit that subscribe button, please. Once I get to 500, I'll do a tool giveaway. And I have a lot of good tools that I'm wanting to give away, but I got to get up to 500 subscribers, so help me out. Right here, we have a Williams 1/4-inch flex head ratchet. I reviewed this tool on my channel, so go check that out, but this is customized. I took a screwdriver handle from a actual tool shop. This is the name brand. I popped it out, drilled it out, drove this down in there, and you know, it's in there good. It's not coming out. It looks good. You don't see no gaps around the base of it. But yeah, these Williams 1/4-inch ratchets have notoriously small handles. I customized mine. My opinion on it, it's a little bit bulky for the 1/4-inch, but I don't know. It's not terrible. I mean, your hand's got to be around it anyways, right? But I don't know. I think I'm gonna give it a spin around the block and see how I like it. What do y'all think? Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. And if it was helpful, go ahead and help me out and hit that subscribe button. We need to get to 500 subscribers so I can do a tool giveaway. In the meantime, we're going to be doing more tool unboxings and reviews, overviews, and small engine do-it-yourself repair tips and tricks. Thanks again, guys.